Alright guys, quick update here. We're going to try and revive this giveaway bike. Hey everybody, welcome back. Saturday morning in the shop. Going to work on the Shovelhead Bobber Rebuild a little bit. Get some Fender struts made up. Decided not to run a sissy bar on this bike. Just mix it up. I've been running sissy bars on almost everything, so figured we'd do something a little different and just do some Fender struts. I got some kind of small channel I'm thinking about using to make them, again, just to give it a little mix up, have something kind of cool. So that's our plan. We're going to get those Fender struts made up, fabbed, put on the bike. We'll have to machine some bungs and weld everything all together. So we got that going on, and then we'll see what else we can get into on that. We still got to figure out exhaust for it, and I don't know, it's been probably close to a month since we worked on it, so I can't even remember what else we got to do as far as fab work before we can get it broken down. Maybe some axle adjuster spacers, and I don't know. Once we get rolling on it, we'll figure out what else we need to do to get it ready to break it down for finish welding and all that good stuff. So that's the plan for today. We'll see what we can make happen.
Oh, show us the drain plug.
Alright, so we got a little arch in our strut. Get this fit back up to the frame here. And then we can mark this. Actually, we need to get a little bit more bend in it. Close up the gap. We got a gap right here. You can see where I can fit my finger in. So we'll get a little bit more bend in it, and we can mark it to cut it off. And I'm going to make a little tab to weld to the fender, and then we'll drill through both those and bolt that up. Alright, so we're going to jump over on the plasma table. I'm going to cut up a little tab to fit in here. And then we'll have a nice little tab welded to the frame, get body work in and painted. And then we'll have our struts, which I might chrome because I really like the shape of this channel. I don't normally do a lot of chrome, but might be worth doing on these. They're small, be relatively inexpensive. And I think with the shape of the channel, it could give a cool pop to them. So we'll see how that goes as the bike continues. Alright guys, quick update here. We're going to try and revive this giveaway bike. If you're new to the channel, about probably a year and a half ago, we started building a custom Honda Shadow 600. The idea was to help promote and build the channel. We asked for you guys to share, subscribe, and share the channel on your social media. And that would be how you got entered to win. Nothing to buy, no money to spend. And that did not really go well. We did not get enough people sharing, and we didn't get to the subscriber count we wanted. So we tried that a second time, and again, just not a big result from people sharing and I guess wanting to enter. So maybe nobody wants the bike. If that's the case, you guys got to let us know, and we'll quit bringing this up. But if you do want the chance to win a free motorcycle, completely free, just by taking 30 seconds or a minute out of your day and making a post on social media, tagging us in the post so that we know you did it, and sending an email we're going to try and get this going again. We currently have just under 3,500 subscribers. We're going to make a goal of 6,000 subscribers. So if everybody on here gets one person to subscribe, we'll surpass that quick and easy, and we can get the bike finished and given away. I'm going to drop a couple pictures of the bike here in the video so you can see what we're talking about. I'll put a link in the description to the playlist. There's, I don't know, 8 or 10 videos from the process of us building the bike, and we really want to give it away. This is not BS. We're not, you know, we want to give the bike away, but it obviously has to benefit us in some way. That's kind of the point of all this. So you guys help us out building the channel, and somebody's going to go home with a brand new handmade custom built Gattis Garage motorcycle. So let's see if we can make this happen. If nobody's interested, then we'll, I don't know, we'll do something else with the bike, I guess. But we really want to give it away. So in the description, I'm going to have all the information, the email where you need to send the email. And if you want to enter somebody else, we're going to come up with something cool for that too, which we'll announce in a few weeks after we see how this is going. I got kind of an idea, which might make it even more fun. So, but for now, subscribe to the channel, share the video, or share a post about us, tag us in it, and send the email. Not maybe on the floor right there. No, no, it's fine. Oh, I had full balls. That's fine. They broke. If you come up with this sucker there or something. I can't. I thought I could get it to pop, but it won't go. Cool. On top of that, you can get up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver. Call 855-GOLD IRA now. That's 855-GOLD IRA. One more time, 855-GOLD IRA. Wonder if I want to put like a little radius on the back. Something round, like big round.
How big is it?
Like six or seven, no, way big, like 6 or 7 inches around. Yeah. Oh, you know what, Matt? In the blue toolbox, is there some big cutoff wheels?
I was gonna grab. We got a 6-inch hole saw.
Oh, that might work. Yeah.
Knowing I have this checked off my list feels amazing. Like the peace of mind knowing my family is protected. That's SelectQuote.com. SelectQuote.com. Just on temporary at SelectQuote.com.
I need to be bigger, huh?
Actually, you're off the edge here.
Yeah, I know, but that's going to make it really tight. Guess I could do that, maybe.
Were you going to cut the...
Yeah, I'm not going to leave all this long. Yeah, it flaps around, and it looks... Yeah, in that blue toolbox, Matt, towards the top drawers, I think one of those, there might be like a 10-inch cutoff wheel or something in there. Maybe. Yeah, it's a little bigger, maybe.
Would a rotor work better?
Oh, that would, yeah, we got a brake rotor somewhere? Yeah, like an old shitty brake rotor might be fucking, because that's like 11 inches in diameter. There we go. Yeah, he's got one, yeah. Is the cutoff wheel over there, Matt, the cordless? Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
You need this anymore, John?
No, thank you. Perfect.
Diane Nancy just for
Who?
her cheap truck, black cheap truck.
Might be the guy coming to pick up.
It's close to 11 in Chancey's car.
Yeah, it's 11:01.
There you go. He's pretty right on time with this shit too.
Yeah. Alright, so we got our fender struts made up. I'm real happy. I think these came out pretty cool using a little channel. Just a neat look you don't always see, I think. And I don't know, I like them. So anyway, I don't know what else we're going to get into today. We'll see what the day brings. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Not a terribly productive day. We've been having some days of not lots of progress on these different builds, but I guess any progress is better than none. So got our little channel fender struts made up, mounts welded or tacked to the fender, got the fender trimmed off, did a little radius trim on the back of it. So overall, really happy with how they came out. Just not a ton of progress, but it's a hectic day around here, lots of people in and out, and which is good. You know, business is always good, never want to complain about that. So anyway, don't forget to do your sharing for the giveaway if you want to get involved in that. And we appreciate you guys being here as always, following along with these projects and different things we're doing. And we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.